Welcome to Babu Commerce Class YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss some simple 50 model questions, non-core subject of skill development for Davangere University final year UG students of all streams. This is compulsory paper for all the final year students of Davangere University, BA, BCom, BSc, BBA, BBM, BSW, BCA and other UG degree courses. Myself, Venkatesh Babu S, Assistant Professor, Government First Aid College, ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ. ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ ಕಾಣ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ನ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಟಿಫೈನ ಉಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಪಡಿಬಹುದು. ಹಾಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೋಡಿ, ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಂತ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 1 ಮತ್ತು 2 ಅಂತ ಎರಡು ಪೇಪರ್ನ 5th ಮತ್ತು 6th ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ ಎನ್ಹಾನ್ಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಜಾಬ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 5th ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 1 ಅಂತ ಓದ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 2 ನಾವು 6th ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಪೇಪರ್, ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಇದನ್ನು ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ನಾನಿವತ್ತು ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 2 ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ನ 5 ಚಾಪ್ಟರಿಂದ 10 ಮಾಡಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಮೇತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ತುಂಬ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ಸಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ. Let's start with the first unit called communication. The first question is, who can decode the communication? Answer is receiver. The second question is, what is pitch of voice? Answer is high or low note of voice. Third question is, which type of communication is equal to thousands of words? Which type of communication is equal to thousands of words? Answer is picture type of communication. Question number 4 is, what techniques are used in the picture? Answer is blueprint, map, graph and films. Question number 5, is this true? Action speaks louder than words. Answer is yes. Next question, how should be a lecture? Answer is addressing to an ideal group of people. Question number 7, which communication has direct contact? Answer is oral communication. Question number 8, which is the most effective communication under oral communication? Answer is face-to-face communication. Question number 9, which type of communication is always recommended by superiors? Answer is formal communication. Question number 10, what for the timing, toning and punching is required in communication? Answer is good delivery. The second module, career planning. Career planning, the first question is, seeking guidance from experienced people for advising and counseling is called. Answer is mentoring. In career development focus, individual goal setting is a part of performance appraisal. In career development, providing assistance programs for academic learning is an art of. Answer is employee role. Which is an example of poor study skill or habit? Answer is completing easiest assignment first. In career development, seeking out career resources is included in individual role. In career development, assessing your own skills is included in. Answer is individual role. Which is the important characteristics of effective team leader? Which is the important characteristics of effective team leader? The answer is listening to everyone's opinion. A leader must listen to everyone's opinion. A factor which may lead to success in the workplace is willingness to learn. Next question. Position held by an individual throughout his work life are normally refers to as. Answer is career. What might help students choose a non-traditional class? Answer is being taught by a non-traditional teacher. Question number 11 to 20 relating to career planning. Now the next third unit, preparing CV or resume. The question is, how many references are usually given in a resume? Answer is 2 references. What is the meaning of business letter? Answer is various correspondences in the modern business. Next question. Resume is a dash word. Resume is a dash word. Answer is French word. Next question. Curriculum vitae is a dash word. Curriculum vitae is a dash word. Answer is Latin word. What is an offer letter? What is an offer letter? It resembles a circular. Answer, it resembles a circular. Next question. What is COD? Answer is cash on delivery. Next question. Expand CWO. Answer, cash with order. Next question. Who gets the benefits of CWO? Who gets the benefits of CWO? Answer, seller gets benefit. Next question. Biodata stands for. Biodata stands for. Answer is biographical data. What is not mentioned in a biodata? What is not mentioned in a biodata? Answer is career aim. Next topic, Unit 4, interview skills. First question, what is an interview? A controlled situation in which a person is asked a series of questions. Next question, who is respondent? A person who gives response in interview. Next question, what is the actual meaning of the question? Can you do the job? This question is asked at the time of interview. Interviewer is going to be asked. Answer is, do you have the required technical skills, experience, capabilities? Can you do the job means here, do you have the required technical skills, experience, capabilities? What is meaning of do you fit? Answer, ability to do the work. Do you fit means here ability to do the work. Next question, how should be the confidence level of a respondent? How should be the confidence level of a respondent? Answer, be very proud of what you have done and accomplished. Next question, what is the impact of poor presentation of the talent? Answer, it commits more harmful things than good. It commits more harmful things than good. Next question, what is the purpose of an exit interview? Answer, to gather data for improving the working condition. Next question, what are 5 W's of grievance interview? What are 5 W's of grievance interview? Answer, who, when, what, which and why. Who, when, what, which and why. Next question, group discussion focus on. Answer, leadership skills of the candidate. Group discussion focus on leadership skills of the candidate. Next question, what is pool campus? Answer. Job placement program is conducted within a group of colleges. Pool campus means here job placement program is conducted within a group of colleges. This is regarding interview skills. The next topic, fifth unit, time management. What is one of the major barriers to effective time management? Procrastination. Answer is procrastination. Which of the following is best strategy for effective planning out your time? Answer. Prioritize all your tasks. Prioritize all your tasks. Next question. What is success plan? A formal process of planning to fill a role that will become vacant. Which is not recognized type of plan? Which is not recognized type of plan? Answer is ad hoc planning. Next question. What is good tool for scheduling classes, work, priorities and due dates? What is good tool for scheduling classes, work, priorities and due dates? Answer. Calendar. Next question. To what time frame do strategic plans relate? Answer. Long term time. Expand smart. 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 Expand smart. Answer. S stands for specific, M stands for measurable, A stands for achievable, R stands for rewarded, T stands for timely. Next question. Stress management training is based on dash theory. Answer. Cognitive behavioral theory. Next question. The stress of the body's reaction is. The stress of the body's reaction is. Answer. Stress response. Stress response. Next question. It is more important for every individual to know their own. Answer. Emotional intelligence. Thank you my dear friends. I hope this video help you. If really helps, subscribe it, share it and get notification for the future videos. Thank you.